Holy crap. Look at this, guys. This is January 2nd, 1900. All right, so today we got this old rusty clamp here, and we're gonna try the Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver, and we're gonna just go ahead and bathe it. We're gonna let this thing sit for a little while, and hopefully this will cover it. I think it's as easy as just pouring it in there. You know, it doesn't completely cover it, but it gets a pretty good amount. So yeah, we're just gonna let this thing sit, and we're gonna go from there on how we're gonna do it.
We got this one.
So I kind of moved it around, and then while I was walking by and I seen this discoloration. It's turning white on the spots where I moved it around a little bit. So we'll just keep it in there and see how it goes. I kind of tried to make it, I lifted it up a little bit on this side to give it where it was going down there a little bit more coverage. So we'll see what happens. I put this in last night. I flipped it a couple times, and from just looking at it, this stuff did amazing. Hardly any rust. I mean, I got a little bit here, a little bit here. Penetrated all the way into there. Right, so I went and washed it off. I can start to see the numbers on here. So this is the number 24A, I think. And over here, I can't read the numbers. It looks like something. We'll see if we can figure that out a little later. But if I could probably put this back in and get the rest of that stuff off. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the drill bit attachment that we used for the Yamaha restore, and just and file all this bigger stuff off with that thing. So, but holy crap, this thing looks great after that. I think that's where this thing was sitting overnight. I should have moved that, and I probably would have gotten rid of that too. So just drying it off. Couldn't be more excited about the way this stuff turns out. This is awesome. Holy crap. Look at this, guys. This is January 2nd, 1900. This thing is 119 years old right now. So it's Jas L. Taylor, manufacturing company. Pw80, New York. So J.S. Taylor.